Hello, welcome back to Health Inclined channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to detox and cleanse your liver in few days in a natural way. Are you ready? Let's go. And don't forget to check out our ebook on liver health and home remedies in the description below. So, why should we even care about liver health? Well, guys, your liver is like the body's filter. It works non-stop, removing toxins and processing everything you eat and drink. A healthy liver is absolutely vital for energy, digestion, and overall well-being. But here's the thing. With the amount of processed foods, artificial ingredients, and environmental toxins we're exposed to these days, our livers are working overtime. And if we don't give it a little TLC, it can lead to all sorts of health issues down the line. That's why we're going to talk about easy and natural ways to give your liver a much-needed detox. We're talking simple dietary changes and lifestyle tweaks that can make a world of difference. No crazy cleansers or expensive supplements here, just real, sustainable tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine. All right, let's talk fiber. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion and detoxing your liver. Think of fiber like a scrub brush for your intestines. It sweeps away waste and toxins, easing your liver's workload. Processed foods are stripped of their natural fiber content. White bread, sugary cereals, fast food, they're all fiber villains. Add more fiber-rich foods to your diet to support your liver. Start your day with oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Snack on fruits and veggies throughout the day. Choose whole grains over refined grains whenever possible. Small changes can make a big difference for your liver health. Let's talk about green tea, the beverage of choice for health enthusiasts around the world. But did you know that green tea is also a powerful ally for your liver? It's true. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, specifically a type called catechins, which have been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers in your body, causing damage to cells and contributing to inflammation. Antioxidants, like those found in green tea, neutralize these troublemakers, protecting your cells and keeping your liver healthy. Studies have even shown that green tea may help reduce the risk of liver disease and improve liver function in people with existing liver conditions. Now, I'm not saying you need to start drinking gallons of green tea every day, but incorporating just 2 to 3 cups into your routine can make a difference. And the best part is, green tea is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it hot or cold, plain or flavored. You can even add a squeeze of lemon or a bit of honey for a refreshing twist. If you're new to green tea, start with 1 cup a day and gradually increase your intake. And remember, quality matters. Choose organic green tea whenever possible to avoid any unwanted pesticides or chemicals. So ditch the sugary drinks and make green tea your go-to beverage. Your liver will thank you for it. Next is garlic, the tiny bulb with big liver benefits. Garlic, that pungent little bulb we use to add flavor to our favorite dishes, is also a nutritional powerhouse with impressive liver-boosting properties. For centuries, garlic has been recognized for its medicinal properties, and modern science is finally catching up to what ancient cultures have known all along. One of the key compounds found in garlic is allicin, which is responsible for its distinctive aroma and many of its health benefits. Allicin has been shown to protect the liver from damage, reduce inflammation, and even help regenerate liver cells. But that's not all. Garlic also contains sulfur compounds, which support the liver's natural detoxification processes. These compounds help activate enzymes in the liver that are responsible for filtering out toxins, making it easier for your body to eliminate them efficiently. Now, I know some people are a bit hesitant to embrace garlic because of its, shall we say, lingering aroma, but trust me, the benefits far outweigh any temporary inconvenience. And there are ways to enjoy garlic without overwhelming your taste buds. Roasting garlic mellows out its flavor, making it a delicious addition to spreads, sauces, and even mashed potatoes. You can also add garlic to soups, stews, and stir-fries towards the end of cooking to preserve its flavor and nutritional value. And if you're still not convinced, garlic supplements are a great alternative. Just make sure you choose a reputable brand and follow the recommended dosage. Next is vitamin C, your liver's antioxidant superhero. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system and a powerful ally for your liver. It acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting your liver from damage caused by free radicals. Think of vitamin C as a shield, deflecting harmful effects of toxins and pollutants. It helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, keeping your liver at its best. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in the liver's detoxification processes. It helps produce glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that binds to toxins. Boost your vitamin C intake with citrus fruits and berries. Incorporate them into your diet for a healthy liver and overall well-being. Next is turmeric, the golden spice for liver health. Turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color, is more than just a culinary delight. It's a nutritional powerhouse with a long history of medicinal use, particularly in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine. And when it comes to liver health, turmeric is a true superstar. The active compound in turmeric that gives it its liver-loving properties is called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, protecting your liver from damage caused by toxins, alcohol, and even certain medications. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the liver, prevent fatty liver disease, and even protect against liver damage caused by certain medications. It does this by neutralizing free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes. Now, incorporating turmeric into your diet is easier than you might think. Adding a teaspoon of turmeric to your smoothies, soups, stews, or even your morning eggs is a great way to boost your intake. You can also find turmeric in supplement form, which can be a convenient option if you're not a fan of its taste. When choosing a turmeric supplement, look for one that contains black pepper extract, also known as piperine. Piperine enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, making it easier for your body to absorb and utilize its beneficial compounds. Next is nuts for a healthy liver, the power of plant-based protein. Nuts and seeds are often overlooked, but these little nutritional powerhouses are packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health, including the health of your liver. When it comes to liver health, walnuts deserve a special mention. Walnuts are an excellent source of arginine, an amino acid that helps detoxify the liver by removing ammonia, a harmful byproduct of protein metabolism. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect the liver from damage. Almonds are another great choice for liver health. They're rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Almonds are also a good source of fiber, which, as we discussed earlier, is essential for promoting healthy digestion and detoxification. So, how can you incorporate more nuts and seeds into your diet? It's easy. Keep a bag of mixed nuts on hand for a quick and satisfying snack. Sprinkle some chopped nuts or seeds on your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for added crunch and nutrition. You can even try making your own nut butter for a healthier alternative to store-bought versions. Remember, a handful of nuts a day is all it takes to reap their amazing health benefits, including a happier and healthier liver. Next is leafy greens, nature's liver-cleansing superstars. Leafy green vegetables are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They're essential for overall health, and when it comes to liver health, they're true superstars. Leafy greens contain a variety of compounds that support the liver's natural detoxification processes, helping to filter out toxins and keep this vital organ functioning at its best. One of the key ways leafy greens support liver health is by promoting the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that binds to toxins, making them water-soluble and easier for the body to eliminate. Glutathione also helps regenerate damaged liver cells, further supporting liver health. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are all excellent sources of chlorophyll, a plant compound that has been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and carcinogens. Chlorophyll also helps cleanse the blood and improve liver function. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet is easier than you might think. Add a handful of spinach to your smoothies, soups, or stews. Sauté some kale with garlic and olive oil for a simple and delicious side dish. Or try making a big salad with a variety of leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and a healthy dressing. Remember, variety is key when it comes to a healthy diet, so try to incorporate a variety of leafy greens into your meals throughout the week. Your liver will thank you for it. So there you have it. Not only do you now know how to detox your liver, you know how to do it the natural way. The fact that our liver functions in the way that it does is a major blessing and should motivate us to strive to keep it as healthy as possible. The foods and ingredients that we mentioned in this video can help you do just that. Again, just be sure to check with your doctor before changing or adding new foods or supplements to your diet. If you thought this video was helpful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. I want to know which of these foods you will be adding to your diet. Let me know down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to download our ebook on liver health and home remedies from the description below. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.